Hello to all of you sixth grade. It's me, your English teacher, Waad Rashid from Ru'al Farouk Academy. Today we are going to do students' book and workbook exercises. The outcomes of our lesson today. Students should be able to do student book exercises and students should be able to do workbook exercises. Okay, my students, let's do students' book exercises on page 23. Exercise 1. Read the adverts and complete the sentences. Adverts means إعلانات هدول, and then we will complete these sentences. Look at advert number 1. It's easy to fly our jetpack. This is a jetpack. You don't need to be a scientist, but you need to have a lot of money. It costs $100,000. Look at this picture. You don't need to be an acrobat. Acrobat means بهلوان. To ride a floating skateboard. This is a floating skateboard. But you need to wear a helmet. ضروري إنك تلبس الهلمت. Look at this or this plane. A child can fly our microlight. This plane called microlight. اسمها microlight. You don't need to be a pilot, but you need to wear warm clothes. It's cold up there in the clouds. من الضروري إنك إيش تلبس warm clothes, ملابس دافية. And the last one, you don't need to be prepared to use our parachute, but you need to know how to land. الإشي الضروري إنك تعرف لحتى تركب الباراشوت كيف إنك إيش تهبط على الأرض بالشكل الصحيح. هدول أصلاً أمثلة how to use don't need to and need to. حكينا need to for necessity نستخدمها للإشي الضروري and don't need to for something not necessary شيء غير ضروري لكن من الممكن إنك تعمله. Look at sentence 1. You don't need to know how to fly a plane. If you want to use a or use the, use what? You don't need to know how to fly a plane. If you want to use the excellent microlight. Hey. Number 2. You need to have a lot of money to buy a lot of money. Which picture have a lot of money? Excellent jetpack. Number 3. You need to know how to land when you use a. It's necessary to know how to land. In which picture or which advert? Excellent. When you use a parachute. And the last one, you don't need to be an acrobat to fly a. Bravo, a floating skateboard. Skateboard floating معناها عائم أو يطوف. Exercise 2. Listen and say the sentences. This exercise is a grammar focus. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences.
Student's book, page 23. 2. Listen and say the sentences.
You need to be a pilot to fly a plane. You don't need to wear a helmet to drive a car.
Okay. We have here need to. We said that ضروري, and after need to we should use infinitive verb be هون اجت, and we have don't need to غير ضروري, and also we use infinitive verb. And now turn to your workbook on page 23 and let's do exercise number 1. Look at the adverbs. What do you need to bring for each expedition? Expedition means بعثة أو رحلة. Bring يحضر. Look at this picture. Join our 2-day walking safari in South Africa's Kruger Park. رحلة سفاري walking مشيا على الأقدام in South Africa's Kruger Park. You should bring, or what do you should bring with you? A hat. What's this? Binocular, bravo. Food and water. Look at picture 2. For the greatest adventure, join our 2-day cave trip in Mexico. رحلة على الكهف في المكسيك. You should bring a helmet, bravo, torch, gloves, and what's this? Robe, excellent. Now, let's complete these sentences. Number 1. For the walking safari, you need to bring a hat and what? What else? Excellent. A binoculars, walking boots, and water bottle. Bravo. Number 2, for the cave trip, this trip, you need to bring a helmet, a torch, gloves, and robe. Excellent. Exercise number 2. Complete the sentences with need to or don't need to. Remember that تذكر إنه need to for necessary things أشياء ضروري تعملها, and don't need to for non-necessary things. Sentence 1. We leave at 6. You need to be at school at 10 to 6. Let's do sentence 2. You call Lucy. I have already called her. أنا حالا اتصلت في لوسي. We need to call her again or we don't need to? Excellent, we don't need to call Lucy. Number 3. You bring any snacks with you. We will have lunch at a restaurant. سنتناول غداؤنا وين? In a restaurant, في مطعم. So, we need to bring snacks, وجبات خفيفة, or we don't need? Bravo, we don't or you don't need to bring. Number 4. You are cold. Aren't you? أنت تشعر في البرد, صح? You wear a thicker jumper. Jumper means sutra. You need to wear a thicker jumper or you don't need? Excellent, you need to. Number 5. You do the washing up. We have got a dishwasher. Dishwasher, جلاي. If you have a dishwasher in your home, إذا عندكم جلاي, you need to do the washing up or you don't need? Excellent, you don't need to do the washing up. Number 6. I feel sick. أشعر إني إيش؟ sick مريض. I go to the bathroom. Excellent. Need to. Number 7. The fridge is empty. We, excellent, need to do some shopping. يجب أن نذهب للتسوق. You, number 8. You help your brother. He can't do his homework and I don't speak German. So the answer is excellent. You need to help your brother. Exercise 3. Write a sentence for each picture. We have 4 pictures with 4 sentences. Look at picture number 1. What did the boy say to his grandpa? He said, "It's okay, Grandpa. You don't need to put up the tent. I will do it for you." Excellent. Don't need, okay? Look at picture 2. What did the boy say to his grandpa? Excellent. It's okay, Grandpa. You don't need to collect wood fire. We will do it for you. Collect wood fire يجمع الحطب. Look here. Okay, picture number 3. What did he say? Excellent. It's okay, Grandpa. You don't need to make a fire. I will do it for you. Look. And picture 4. What did this girl say to her grandpa? Bravo. It's okay, Grandpa. You don't need to cook a meal. I will do it for you. Okay, my students, we have finished our lesson today. Write your answers on your student book and workbook and send me your answers.